Hi, my name is Sasha Casas, and I'm a real estate agent in Northern Virginia since 2005. This video is to speak to homeowners directly who are worried about losing their home to foreclosure. Listen, there are options available. There's no reason to be ignoring the phone calls of your lender. Are you scared to speak to them? That's okay, I understand. Give me a call. I'd be more than happy to get on the phone with you and your lender and find out what options are available to you. There's no need to be worried and to keep being stressed out about this. I will guide you through the way. I will hold your hand and walk you down this road and get you into a better place. Give me a call, 703-98-CASAS.